Hi, my name is Nicole Scott, and this is a neurological assessment for NU 650.
My name is Danielle Scott, and I consent to being in this video.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and start. So we're going to start with some cranial nerve assessment. So first thing we're going to do is smell. So go ahead and close your eyes. And
Cinnamon?
perfect, good. Then you can open your eyes, and I just want to make sure everything is patent here. You're smelling okay, and no issues or concerns with that. Okay, now we'll do some extraocular movements and visual acuity. So I'm just going to move my fingers from the back to the front and just let me know when you see them.
I see them.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is facial sensation and some facial expressions and jaw movements. So if you can open your mouth, close your mouth, clench your jaw, and make some facial expressions, lift your eyebrows, smile. Okay, perfect. Now if you can close your eyes, I'll do some sensations. So one will be sharp and one will be dull, and just tell me what you feel.
Dull. 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 Sharp. Sharp. Sharp.
Okay, perfect. All right, and if you can just open your mouth and stick your tongue out. Okay, everything looks good here, no swelling or anything like that. And then if you can move your tongue side to side. Perfect. All right. And then shrug your shoulders up and down and then turn your head side to side. Good. Okay, no tenderness or anything with that?
No.
Okay, perfect. Now we're going to assess coordination of upper extremities. So we'll do hands first. So we'll do finger tapping. So if you could just this on both. Good. And then place your hands on your knee and then just flip them up and down. Okay, good. Now we're going to do same for lower extremities. So if you could just tap your foot to my hand. Okay, and then the other one. Perfect. All right, so now for the next one, I'm just going to assess your walk. So I'll have you stand. And if you could just walk. And then walk heel to toe. And then walking on your toes, or tippy toes, yep. Okay, and then hop in place, a shallow knee bend, and then go ahead and sit back down and then back up. Okay, so now we'll do the Romberg test. Now it's standing for this one. The Romberg test. So I'm going to have you close your eyes, and then for 20 seconds, I'm just going to watch you. So put your feet together. Okay, and then close your eyes. Okay, good. And then for the next one, pronator drift. So same thing like this, but keep your arm or put your arms out, palms down, and close your eyes. And then I'm just going to tap and just don't go against, or try not to go against it. Okay, good, perfect. All right. You go ahead and sit back down. So during all the assessments, I've been inspecting muscles at rest and during movement. Everything looks good. So now we're going to assess flexion and extension of elbows. So if you can just move your elbows, okay. And then wrists. Go ahead and make a fist and then just move around, okay. Grip strength. So I'm going to have you hold on to both here and don't let go. Okay, good. And then finger abduction, so go ahead and spread your fingers as far apart as you can, and don't let me pull them together. Okay, perfect. And now hip flexion and extension, so place your hands on your thigh, and then try not to raise against my resistance. Okay, and then the same thing, but underneath. Okay, perfect. Now we'll go in and out, so don't let me push your legs out and in. Okay. And then we'll go to legs and knees, or feet. Don't try to push down. Okay, and then up, and then down. Okay, good. All right, so now we're going to move on to reflexes. So we're going to do the biceps reflex on both. Okay, good. And triceps reflex. brachioradialis, knee jerk, and then ankle. Oh, ankle, okay. Perfect, good. All right, the last thing that we're going to do is assessing for meningeal signs, the Gordinsky and the Koenig. So I'm going to have you lay down on the bed. For this one, I'm just going to have you raise your neck, okay, and go back down. For the Koenig, I'm going to lift your knee up and then straighten your leg, okay, on both sides. All right, and you can sit back up. Thank you.